Powering your home with a 3,500 watt generator.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the capabilities of a 3,500 watt generator and discuss which appliances you can power in your home. Understanding the power consumption of household items can help you make the most of your generator.
What does 3,500 watts mean?
To begin, 3,500 watts represents the maximum power output that a generator can deliver at any given time. It's crucial to remember that consistently running a generator at its max can wear it out faster. It's often recommended to operate generators at around 80% of their rated capacity for prolonged use. This means, for most of the time, you'd want to use only up to 2,800 watts continuously.
Typical power ratings of household appliances.
When planning how to use a generator, it's beneficial to know the wattage of common household items. Refrigerator, 100 to 800 watts, but can peak higher during the startup. Freezer, 500 to 800 watts. Microwave, 600 to 1,200 watts. Coffee maker, 600 to 1,200 watts. Television, 50 to 400 watts, depending on size and type. Desktop computer, 400 to 800 watts. Laptop, 50 to 100 watts. Fan, 50 to 120 watts. Light bulb, 40 to 100 watts, depending on type and brightness. Please note, appliances like refrigerators and air conditioners have starting watts, which are higher than their running watts. So, initially, they draw more power when switched on, but then their consumption decreases.
What can I power simultaneously?
Given the wattages we just discussed, you could run 1. A refrigerator, 200 watts running. 2. A television, 150 watts. 3. A desktop computer, 500 watts. 4. A fan, 100 watts. 5. A microwave, 1000 watts. 6. And a few light bulbs, 150 watts combined. This would total approximately 2,100 watts of continuous power usage. Remember, though, starting an appliance might require a higher wattage, so always account for that before switching on multiple items. In conclusion, a 3,500 watt generator can be quite versatile in a home setting. It's crucial to prioritize your appliances and be aware of both starting and running wattages. With careful planning, you can keep your home running smoothly during a power outage. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of what you can do with a 3,500 watt generator. Stay powered up.